understand what drives the economic engine of the business. You have to be able to see a path to monetization. If you don't focus your business on things that can actually make money in the long term, you will ultimately run out of time, money, and resources, no matter how much passion you have. You see, to pursue a business, you must have a path to monetization. You must understand how you will make money from the business. No matter how much passion you have for it, no matter how much skill you have for it, you cannot survive in business unless you know how to make money at it. You have to understand what drives the economic engine of this business. And as Jim Collins talks about in the book, look for that one key indicator that has the single greatest impact, whether it's profit per customer or cash flow per customer or social impact or whatever it is. Look for that one key performance indicator and pursue that relentlessly rather than having 10 different key performance indicators. That simple concept was revolutionary for 2000 books. Now, these KPIs may not become evident on day one of your business, but you have to have some idea on how you will monetize your business. And over time, as you grow your business, you will get clarity on those KPIs. For example, in 2000 books, we have a very clear business model now. We create book summaries, we sell book summaries, and we sell courses related to the topics we summarize books on.